The present perfect. Its correct use is necessary to express experiences or memories that occurred a long time ago, but which memories are still kept on or are currently relevant. Thanks to this, its use is very common and it's important to know it perfectly. Now we have the structures of the present perfect. First, we have the affirmative form, which when it's the subject, then the auxiliary that it's have or has, then we have the verb, and then the complement. So we have the subject, I, then have, then talked, and then to the doctor. When we talk interperson like she, he, or it, we use has. So we have she has worked in radio stations. And here we have the contraction form, like I've, you've, his, she's. This one is to make the sentence shorter. Then we have the negative form. We have the subject, then the verb, then we add not, then we have the verb and the complement. So it will be I have not watched that movie. And it's the same, in third person we use has. So it could be he has not called his grandmother. And now we have the interrogative form. First we have the auxiliary verb, in this case is have, then subject, then the verb, and then the complement. So it would be have I lost my wallet? Or in third person the same thing. Has she cooked pozole? And here we have when we could use the present perfect. First we have on actions that started in the past and continuing in the present, like they haven't lived here for years, or we have had the same car for 10 years. Then we have when referring to an unfinished period of time. An example is it has rained a lot this year. And then we have repeated actions in an unspecific period between the past and the present. So it could be they have seen the film 6 times, she has visited them frequently, we have eaten at the restaurant many times. Another example, it could be with actions completed in the very recent past, and we add just, like have you just finished work, or we have just seen her. And the last one is when the temporal dimension is not relevant or known, like someone has eaten my soup, she's studied Japanese, Russian, and English. In this tense, we sometimes use adverbs like yet, already, just, for, how long, to specify something. And here we have some examples, like I have just finished my exam, they have been in a relationship for 12 years, we have worked in this shop since January, how long have you been in this gym? So these are examples, and this is how the present perfect is used.